Granulating fluid bed. The powder material is loaded in the fluid bed. Heated and filtered. Sometimes also dehumidified air enters into the fluid bed from the hot air cabinet. The powder should be fluidized when the air velocity is high enough. The fluidized powder is brought up to the expansion chamber and passes through the spray nozzle, contacts the atomized mist sprayed from the spray gun by compressed air. The powder should be accumulated together and forms granules. The powder material becomes bigger and forced back to the fluid bed when the air speed lowers down in the expansion chamber. The very fine powder goes up into the powder collecting chamber and be captured by the filter cloth bags. Pneumatic shaking arrangements shake the filter cloth bags so the powder drops down to the fluid bed. The process circulates during the granulation process so to make the desired granules, normally around 20 to 80 mesh. Air inlet system. The air inlet opening is normally in the auxiliary machine room or outdoors. Air inlet system, also known as the air inlet handler, normally consists of pre-filter, post-filter, steam heat exchanger, sub-high efficiency filter, and/or HEPA filter. Dehumidify with preheating arrangements and air inlet bypass of heat exchanger are available on request. The main machine of the fluid bed. The main machine consists of hot air cabinet, fluid bed, expansion chamber, and powder collecting chamber as stated above. Rupture discs are supplied on the top of the main machine for explosion-proof type. They will burst at a pressure of 0.01 MPa plus or minus 10% automatically, and then the air will be released to the area specified so to protect the operator. The automatic valves on the air inlet and exhaust ducts will also close automatically so to protect the air inlet handler and the exhaust fan and filter. 1. Please consider the layout of the explosion release ducts for explosion-proof type. 2. WIP system is available on request. 3. Vacuum feeding arrangements are available on request. 4. Integration of top spray granulation, bottom spray coating, or known as Worcester inserts, and tangent spray for pure making are available on request. Air exhaust system. Air exhaust system is normally placed in the technical room or auxiliary machine room. Construction material that can reduce noises is normally used for this room. The shock reducer under the fan should protect the fan from vibration as well as the floor of the building. For protection of the environment, post-filter, HEPA filter, or cartridge filter for exhaust air are available on request. Control system. 1. Siemens PLC and human machine interface are normally supplied for the control system. 2. Inverter is normally used for the suction fan, so to adjust the air velocity and pressure smoothly and save energy. 3. Air speed and humidity transformer are normally used for this system, so to measure the inlet air speed, which might be converted to air velocity and humidify, or the humidify after the dehumidifier if applicable. Thermostable air speed and humidify transformers are available on request. They will give the air velocity and humidity just before the air enters into the fluid bag. 4. Pressure differential transmitter or gauge are normally supplied with the air inlet and exhaust filter, fluid bed, and powder collecting chamber, so to check if there's any blockage or leakage with each section. The ones with the powder collecting cabinets and the first air exhaust filter, if any, are normally transmitters. They should stop the system when any measured pressure difference is out of the set range, so to avoid leakage of material products and pollution of the environment.